Hello, everybody, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. With Tracy, I got a 2024 spring outdoor project that I must tackle. Putting in a little work to get this small garden bed prepped for planting. I'm going to put okra, some sunflowers, maybe some peppers, I'm not sure. But I want to get it ready, get it tilled so I can amend the soil, and put some of my starts in here. Trying to make this bed go out a little further. That's going to give me another foot digging these bricks up and pulling them out. And I might pull them out a little further than this once I get them all up. I'm going to have this area going this way killed, but I got to get somebody out here for the wires because I've got a lot of wires coming out this way. One I know already right here, and then from here underneath the telephone pole that way. I don't know if I'm gonna do the tilling or not. If I'm just gonna do these containers, this area, and then I have an area on the side of my house. I'm not sure yet. I'm taking it a day at a time and see where I go. So I'm trying to expand this area some, just to give me a little more growing area right here. And these bricks have been in the ground for 18 years, right here. More rocks my granddaughter wants to paint. I don't know if y'all can hear my phone or not, but I'm listening to Yaya. Who's on here? Yaya, Microfarmer, a lady named Lynn, Sheer Magic. We got a bunch of folks in the chat. So I'm listening to them as I garden. I'm gonna bring it back a little further while I can, but not this one. I already know there's wires right here. I got that covered. I'm gonna bring this out a little further, and then I'm gonna dig up this grass. This is good soil. I had this last spring in my first garden. And I had tomatoes and green beans and cucumbers. And there's a lot of worms in here. And you see mushrooms. And I think you got mushrooms in that good soil. So I'm going to take advantage of this little area here. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about putting okra back here. Maybe. I don't know yet. I gotta find another brick to put right here. And then that just sections off this area. And then I'm gonna dig down into that and get that grass out of there. Got a brick over here.
Growing plants with water banks with certain type of liquid fertilizer in the water that you can grow plants without soil. A lot of that is synthetic fertilizer, but there are organic fertilizers you can use in hydroponic also. So don't get me wrong about that, but I'm on the fence with that hydroponic stuff because it doesn't make sense to grow stuff with hydroponic because it's very expensive to some people. Some people might got that money, but why would you grow a tomato in a hydroponic? And tomatoes grow in soil just as well. Because David Corey and D-Ball and all these people in here is going to say he grows watermelons in soil. He growing 50-pound watermelons in soil. But why would you do that with a hydroponic?
Ooh, child, let me turn him down. I can't even hear myself think.
Is a 420 thing, y'all. Now they can cuss me out. I'm just telling you off the bat. When I see somebody doing a big hydroponic, I just believe you're a weak bro. Just on down low trying to build shit. Wow. Because it's too expensive with hydroponics to be trying to grow a whole crop of hydroponics. When that same stuff that you're growing, you grow in soil. So it puts my ears up. It puts my ears up when I see people growing hydroponically because it's expensive. And any little thing can wipe out your crops with hydroponics. And I know Mike Yadigar, he grows hydroponics. He grows in not a large scale, he grows enough to meet his family. So, hey, Mike Yadigar, ain't no shot at you. It's just that I'm saying he grows at a small scale. I think he found grows in hydroponics small scale. But when I see a whole farm to meet their family in hydroponics, that tomato going to cost you about $10. Wow. I'm being honest with you. So I don't see a person who's seeing his family growing hydroponics. I just don't see it. Now, I could be wrong. But that's my take on hydroponics. Thank you. Duval reference back to the forage. She said that is a medicinal herb that grows like a bush of flower and can be used in desserts and drinks. That's what forage is. Okay. I don't know what forage is because I'm not. Never heard of it. Yeah. And David Corey says that forage can also be used as. Oh, yeah. David Corey. You know what does that help eczema too? So one of my daughters has eczema, right? You know what helps that? CBD and marijuana. Yeah, CBD and marijuana helps eczema. Yeah. What do you do? Rub the oil on it? Yep. Okay. Yeah. My daughter has it. So. Yeah. We have CBD oil and CBD cream for my baby business, but it doesn't have the THC in there. It's just the CBD and it's for eczema. Oh, Liz, I know you do this. I figured that part out. So I don't try to put it out because I did put it out there, but it is what it is. So YouTube is not my main customer, but I am a CBD company owner. That's microinfusions.com. And I am a 420 person, which I deal with THC also. Okay. But I don't show it on my YouTube channel because I talked about it. I don't show you everything in my life. Because some people on YouTube, they feel good. They see what you're doing. They know your whole life. You don't know. Right. Exactly. I show you a snippet. I show you a little bit of my life, and people somehow get that twist like they really know me. You don't know me. Like that. I got this picture. She showed you exactly what she want to show you. She show you exactly what she want to show you. And lay down. I forgot her name right now. Roxanne show you just a little bit of her life. So don't think because you watch Roxanne's videos, you know Roxanne. Exactly. And that's a problem. A lot of us people watching YouTube, you think you know somebody. You really don't. They just show you a snippet. And you don't know niggas like you just see out there with that shovel. You just see out there with dogs and a family, but you don't know the whole details. You don't know what she's doing. She's just showing us David Corey, Gene on the road. They only showing you this little piece of their life. Right. Most people, yeah. So stop assuming, hey, yo, bro, I'm you, bro. What's going on, girl? I see you over there with the seeds, girl. So a lot of people. Oh, I didn't know Mama Girl. Welcome in. I didn't see you, Mama Girl. And David Corey saying true because I'm telling you, a lot of people just see a little snippet of your life. Somehow in this world, they think they know you. They think they really know your life. Well, I feel like with the youth, they don't know any better because they have their own awkward ways of knowing. And, it's always kind of like backhanded, read something on someone. That's how they teach them how to study. So this new world of people that don't engage each other, they want to know you by looking you up or Googling you or trying to see what you have done. That's their loss, Because obviously we know how to knock on the
door, hey, how you doing? This is my name, just write it over, da 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 da. They don't know how to do it. So, you know, teachable moment. And her, yeah, yeah, as G Mama Gross said, she says orange can be used as a fertilizer, like y'all are teaching me something. I love all these nuggets.
I know you say that, just joke with eyes, but that's true. You look at Nikki, oh, she's the sweetest woman in the world, but you don't know her struggles. You don't know what she's going through. She's just showing you a snippet of her life. Right. And a lot of people assume they know you because they see you on YouTube. You don't know what Yaya's going through. You don't know what Sheer Magic's going through. I don't know what Liz's going through. I don't know what something.
Right. What's calendula? What is that? Yeah, oil. Dula oil, Robin. What is that? What? So does calendula oil?
I'm assuming the way that it's pronounced, I'm assuming that deals with inflammation.
Oh, okay.
Robin, is that an inflammation oil? Inflammation.
Sounds like calamine lotion type. Oh, that's what it sounds like. Yeah. That's oatmeal. Y'all don't know me.
Now I'm using this hand tiller to break up this soil the best that I can.
I would say that I have not made it to, I guess, the stage of trying to continue to produce out of what I grow. You know, I grew up with, my people before me, my mom, my grandmother, we all had, vegetable gardens and stuff in our backyard. So, that was just the way of life when we were younger. But me taking, the initiative to do it in my own, and maybe I put seeds down and probably got 8, or I never saw anything come out of it.
The soil is really compacted and it has a lot of rocks in it.
I use it in my soap.
But what does it do? Your soap but what does it do? It deal with depression? Does it relax you? Does it put you to sleep like lavender?
Calendula.
Y'all trying to figure out how to pronounce it. I'm trying to figure out what it does for me.
Calendula.
I don't care about the pronunciation. I don't know what it do for you.
We got that part.
I don't know what it does.
It's a herb used to heal the skin, mostly.
Okay, there you go. I'm going around that bush.
Now and do. That's how you can see the. So what did you get? So G Mama and David Corey, what do you have? Like, I get hives from like my allergies, so I have real bad allergies. Does it come with that, or does it just for like eczema or something like that? Maybe I should Google it. Robin put some more information on it. I just copied it up here. Okay, so it's a slime and
Explain what it does for us. Oh, help the reasons, whatever. Thank you, Nikki. I see what you said too. Thank you, Miss Robin. I hope you're a lady. Miss Robin, thank you.
Yes.
All right, I don't know. I'm just saying.
No, she's my friend from Washington State.
Okay, so that's what I want you going to talk. Explain what it does for us.
Yeah.
I don't like pulling teeth on me. I don't like pulling teeth.
You might could use that, and put some CBD in.
My CBD works. I use it on my own kids. That's what I'm saying.
I know, but it's just a different herb.
Oh, yeah, if you're going to make an ointment, that might be, put something in your ointment, yeah.
Yes. Like, Kieta, she makes salve. Y'all call it salve?
Salve.
Yeah. So a lot of stuff, like Miss Robin said, you can put that stuff in a salve and rub it on your skin and stuff. And you put a little fragrance to it, whatever. So it's great.
Yeah, I just wanted looking it up. It says help wounds heal faster, possibly by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the affected area, which helps the body grow new tissue. I have never heard that before.
You always say, everybody tell you, do your own research. Thank you, Sue.
Absolutely.
Do your research.
We talk about it and we research it and bring it to the table. And it helps with anti-inflammatory. I'm like, wow.
I thought it was inflammatory, but
That's new. Look, y'all. That's why I'm like, y'all be teaching me something. I be taking notes on everything. Everything comes from the land. That's what I'm saying. Stop the capsule. Stop trying to get all these prescriptions. The prescription came from the earth. We are of the earth, so that's what's going to heal us. Oh, you know what? It also helps with gut health. Yeah. That's that. Y'all been talking about the what is the mushroom drink that you take, risen? What is it called? All those different mushrooms. Yeah, it goes with gut health. Yes.
I have a question. If I'm not going to store my black cow in potting soil, can I just is black cow just too strong to put by itself?
No, you're good. Black cow is not 100% cow manure. They mix it with other stuff. Even though it's called black cow, I would think black cow is 60% cow manure, but they're adding amendments to it. So it's not fully black cow. I mean, it's not cow manure. It's not 100% cow manure. It's mixed with eggs and other compost products. Even though it's all black cow.
Yeah, when he was alive, he
So let me clean up my mess. Cause baby, I think I lost 5 pounds.
Topsoil is best to use, but black cow, you can actually grow. If you took the bag and flipped it over and split it and cut it open, you can actually grow good plants directly in the black cow manure.
yeah,
But the black cow manure is not 100% black cow manure. I mean, give up black cow. It's not 100% cow manure.
right. I saw someone's apartment where they took some of the potty soil, they just cut the bag open, laid it on their balcony, and they planted it.
Yeah, because it's not 100% cow manure. It's,
I'm done for the
I would
night,
say
y'all.
it's like 60 or 70%
That is enough.
cow manure.
I
But
got
you
it
add other stuff.
healed up
That's why you see
and
stuff,
ready.
a little bit of
I'll
wood,
amend it
chips in it.
with some things, with
I
some
know I
things and
heard
stuff
it.
soon.
Last year
Um,
about it, about
Let me take you
something
over and let you see it.
just
And
like
then
dry,
I've got,
but you know, like from we been talking. So
what do you call these things? These containers. I'm gonna use those as well. But it's looking pretty good. I'll get back out here another day. I'm pooped. I'm hot. Um, yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, it's rough out here. It's hard out here being a pimp. I'm playing. Bye.
2,000 years later.
So far, this is what I have going on. Put sunflowers back there, and these other small little starts are my okra. Now, yeah, they probably planted close together, but we'll see as they grow. And I set my blueberry plants over here, blueberry bushes. They doing not too bad. That one ain't doing too good, but this one, yep, that one died. It's going back. And then I had a raspberry bush. It's just a twig. It's going back. Um, I put my sweet potato slips in here and in here. And then I got myself Chicago Hardy fig. And they're Yukon potatoes in the red one. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. And I got rid of the bricks. Yeah, I just got a clean edge. I just got rid of the bricks. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you soon.